Good morning, boys. How are you all? Hope all fine by the grace of Almighty. Boys, here I am Shushmita Das, lecturer of ICT, St. Gregory's High School and College. Boys, I will take the ICT class, especially in 7A section. But though it is our online class, both section of class 7 should follow this class. We do not get our ICT hard book, isn't it? So, all a boy should follow the soft copy of books. Here is the first look of your ICT books. Okay, boys? Look, boys. Your first terminal syllabus is chapter 1, 2, and 4, isn't it? And your quiz syllabus is chapter 1. Boys, I start from chapter 2 computer oriented devices and another ICT teacher will start from chapter 1. Okay, boys? So, let's go. Boys, here is the second chapter computer oriented devices. After completing this chapter, you will be able to describe the activities of different computer devices. Explain the interrelations of different computer devices. Identify the devices after drawing their picture. Input devices. Boys, in class 6, you all was familiar some input devices, isn't it? Now we will know the details these devices. Okay, boys. So let's see. The computer devices are always being updated. The most modern device of today becomes old tomorrow. Okay. Besides, technological innovations are frequently coming into being. Think of the remote control device of the television. In future, we will get such technology assisted television that will be operated only by oral commands. Are you caught by surprise? It's possible to give input by oral commands now. In that case, the remote control device will be outdated. Technology is changing fast. Now you are reading in class 7. When you will be promoted to higher classes, most of the devices will be housed in the museum. Okay, most of the devices will be housed in the museum. In spite of that, we have to know about the conventional devices being used right now. Though devices will be changed, the concept of input, storage, processing, and output will not change. Okay? Though devices will be changed, the concept of input, storage, processing, and output will not change. So, let's see about some input device. Look, this is a computer keyboard. It is a very common and familiar input device of all, isn't it? So what is the function of keyboard? By using keyboard, we can type English and Bangla language. By using keyboard, there are many letters, some characters, some special characters, and some numbers. Okay, so let's see. Keyboard. The most commonly used input device into the computer is keyboard. Input is usually given in all the devices of information and communication technologies through keyboard. Some commands should be given to have the works done by this device. We enter the commands into the computer by pressing the keys or buttons of the keyboard. So, by using keyboard, we can command to the computer and then the devices work as per the commands. The concepts of modern keyboard came from typewriter machine. Later, numbers and characters are arranged in a line on keyboard. Although the computer keyboard is similar to that of the typewriter, it has some additional keys for producing actions and commands. Usually English letters and characters are engraved on the keys, but keyboards of other languages are also available in the market. Recently, Bangladesh government has ordered to add Bengali layout to mobile phone of all brands. Look, another input device is a mouse. So mouse is another input device. What is the function of mouse? By using mouse, we can point any files in computers, isn't it? So look, mouse. You have already used a device called mouse. It is a very popular input device. It is also called the pointing device. Those who invented it first thought that it looks like a mouse. It looked like a mouse. That is why it was called so. Mouse has usually two buttons. Mouse has usually two buttons, left and right, and a scroll wheel and a scroll wheel. These buttons are used in different ways to enter inputs in the computer. These buttons are used in different ways to enter inputs in the computer. Different kinds of mice are currently being used in the world. Common users use standard mouse. The positioning of mouse is shown on the monitor of a computer by a pointer that looks like an arrowhead. The positioning is changed with the movements of the mouse. The positioning is changed with the movements of the mouse. Commands to the computers can be given by pressing the right button. Look boys, I also pointing the reading by using mouse. Okay, look. Commands to the computer can be given by pressing the right button. By pressing the right button, commands can be given. The mouse is most commonly used in graphics-based operating system. Usually, a program is selected by clicking the left button of the mouse, taking the pointer on the icon of that program, and a first double click opens it. Okay. If we click double on a mouse, it open a files. Okay. In laptop, the touchpad does not work. Does the works of a mouse. Okay, boys. In a laptop, the touchpad does the work of a mouse. Okay. Next one is microphone. What is the function of microphone? Look boys, by using microphone, we can enter our speeches, song and any other sounds. Isn't it? Okay. So, let's see microphone. It's also an input device. We can enter speeches, song and any kinds of sounds into the computer through this device. We notice its popularity in the internet-based communications. It was invented long ago as it had been using in telephones. It has been using in telephones. Now it is being used as an input device to the computer. We use microphone for voice recognition too. Okay? So boys, though it is our first class, I do not want to make too long. Okay? So no more today. Thanks to all.